Hi friends, good morning to all. Today we are going to take a new topic on the PhD career options in electrical and electronic engineering in abroad countries. That is, we deal with the countries of UK, US, Australia, Canada and Germany. And in the next section we deal with the application details for these countries, including the application steps and the application materials that are required for these countries for the PhD application. The next section will deal with the eligibility exam details, that is IELTS, TOEFL and GRE. The fourth section is the details of the scholarships that is available within these countries for the PhD programs. And the final section deal with the visa details, which include the details of website for the visa application, etc. So now we go on to the slides. I would like to introduce myself. I am Dr. Anandu Vijayan. I have completed my BDS from Malabar Dental College, Kerala, India, and Masters in Dental Public Health from University of Sheffield, UK. Now we move on to the content section. So first we deal with the universities by country area, that is the universities in UK, US, Canada, Australia and Germany are discussed. Then we move on to the contents in each university section. So first we deal with the host department for each PhD program. So the host department for the PhD program varies from one country to another and from one university to another. So other is the course name. The course name also changes. Some universities the PhD program is called DPhil and some universities call it PhD. So the next thing is the course duration. The course duration is a bit longer for the US and the Canadian universities compared to UK and Australian universities, which is much shorter. And then we move on to the QS rankings. QS rankings determine the quality of the university. So if the university is within the top 500 or top 100 of QS rankings, so it is considered as the best universities in the world. So I have introduced most of the universities within the top 100 of the QS rankings to get a better idea and to get a better vision for these universities. Then we deal with the fees for this PhD programs. Then some universities have the fees for the PhD while other universities don't have any PhD fees. Then we deal with the stipends. Some universities provide the stipends directly or otherwise the stipends are provided by the government body of that country. Then I have given the contact email and website that is specific to the department, so the candidates can contact for any further details of this specific university, and the accommodation details for each universities are also being mentioned. Then we move on to the steps in application. So this is the next section, which include the sections of exploring your options, review the requirements, prepare your documents, apply online, check your application status, interview, accept offer and pay deposit. So these contents will be described in detail in the sections followed below. Eligibility exam details. IELTS, TOEFL, GRE. So a brief description of how this exams is conducted, what are the components involved in this material, the fees, dates of exams is mainly included within this section. And the next fourth section is the scholarships. Mainly the scholarships in UK, Australia and Europe has been discussed. Then we move on to the visa details section. The visa details section, it includes the visa process, general steps, which includes UK, US, Canada, Australia and Germany. So these are the countries in which the visa details website has been provided for better understanding and for the application process.